Hey guys, it's Layla. I'm vlogging today. I hardly ever vlog, but I'm getting some braids done. I washed and blew out my hair and prepped it yesterday, and I thought I'd bring you guys along because earlier on in the year when I did my own braids, I never filmed it and you guys are like, why not? So yeah, join me for the day. Today's a really good day. It's going to be like the hottest day in London since records began, apparently. So we'll see. I'm a little bit bummed out that it happened to be the same day that I'm getting braids because we booked this like months ago, and my friend Mayowa's doing it for me. She's the one that did those braids that I had with the beads at the end a few years back when I was going to Turkey. And yeah, anyway, let's go. We're running a bit late. I wanted to get there early because she said it's going to take about 9 hours. But before we go, I have some new plants I want to show you guys. I'm going to do a plant video during the week, but just like a quick sneak peek. Okay. So I'm at Mayowa's, yep, there she is. Hi. Ready to go. I'm not sure if I'm gonna film all of it. We'll probably just film like bits and bobs as we go along. Blew my hair out, but it's super hot, so it's starting to frizz up already. And I'll show you guys the hair.
Oh yeah, actually.
Oh, we're good to go. We're excited.
All the colours, just in case anyone wanted to know.
Oh, okay.
613, 12, 30, 24, and they've all been blended into that.
Wow, it's gorgeous.
My blending game
is gorgeous.
Wow.
Thank you.
I'll leave this to the side because this one last week.
From Barnum and Booty.
Guys, oh sorry, my top broke, my jumpsuit broke, but we'll fix that later. Anywho, look at my hair.
There's only one way to settle this. To see you in action.
I've never had that. The most color I've ever had in my hair is like 1B. And that one time that I had like a patch of grey when I was going to Thailand. So I'm really excited and nervous, but mostly excited. It's so pretty. Yeah, I will put the details of the hair in the end, but like she said, it is a custom blend. So she blended the 4 colors together, all of them together, and then we're putting them in. So it's not like a piece of this, a piece of that, and a piece of this. It's literally just been flawlessly blended.
They are now like, oh sorry. There you go.
There you go. So pretty. Excited. We'll show you the back so you can see how it's looking. How many hours has it been?
We started at 10 past 10.
We started at 10 past 10 and it's now 12:36. So yeah. Oh yeah. Show the back.
Don't
touch my hair. I'm so excited.
Perfectly squared off. Boom.
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 Boom. Boom. Almost there. I've fallen asleep twice this whole time. Both times my head cocked back so much I almost broke my spine. But we thank God. It's looking so good. Once we're done, I'll give you guys like a full standing up swinging situation, you know, pendulum and thing. How you feeling?
My face is so greasy. Oh,
You've done so. She's done so. I can't believe it. It's. Hold on.
It's 5:15. We started at 10:15.
It's not even 15. It's 13. Look at that. You've done so well. We've done so good, haven't we? We together collectively.
This girl did nothing but sleep.
Me sleeping and her just churning away the fingers.
I got early onset arthritis.
Oh, self-diagnosed.
Early onset arthritis in my pinky fingers.
So even because of that, you've done even better, hasn't it?
Alright.
So blessed. Your fingers are anointed. Eh? Anointing fall on me. Okay, we'll be back when we're like, you know. I just can't believe how like well she's done, guys. Look at that. Like literally, that's it. This is it.
I'm nearly there. There you go.
You done?
Yes, honey.
Oh. Oh, wow. Wow. Wow.
Wow. So there you go.
Wow.
Lemonade braids.
Wow. Wow.
Hold on, wait 1 second. How do I zoom out? Okay.
Getting it. Getting it.
Yes. And it's golden hour right now. Okay. So let me go close up. Beautiful.
Beautiful. Guys, this is my first time, and I mean, I feel like a goddess. How do I look?
Like a star.
Mayowa, you're the best.
You're welcome,
You're the
love.
baddest.
You're welcome.
With friends like these, you know.
Who needs a hairstylist?
Who needs one? I mean, goddamn. Wow. Listen, I'm coming at you guys with new energy.
Hot girl summer.
Listen. What?
No, this is actually so cute.
I am so ready for life. Oh my god, I am just queen.
In all its...
What's your name?
Can't talk to me at this point.
Listen. Who? Wow. Majestic. My goodness. Wow. Oh.
And it's funny how that hot water trick just works. You don't really need to add the...
Oh.
And okay.
I mean, oh my goodness. Oh.
Y'all see them pardons?
Mm-hmm.
You see them pardons? It probably looks like an ombre situation, which is really nice. There you go.
Well, thanks guys. Thanks for joining us in this vlog. It's been... Oh, how long has it taken?
It took us 9.5 hours.
9.5 hours.
Which is pretty standard for me.
It's so light. How many packs did you say it was? Like
just over 3 packs.
Just over 3 packs.
It was 4 packs to make the colour, but we used under 3.
Oh my god, my sister.